Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class. Today we can discuss exercise 8.3, question number 10. Okay. The population of a place increased to 54,000 in 2003 at a rate of 5% per annum. Find the population in 2001. What would be its population in 2005? Okay. So given that population in 2003 it is 54,000. Okay. Given that population in 2003 it is equal to 54,000. Okay, population in 2003 it is equal to 54,000 and rate of 5%, that means R is equal to 5%. Okay, what is N? N is equal to, we need to find the population in 2001. What is given? Population in 2003. So N is equal to 2003 minus 2001, that means 2 years. Okay, it is equal to 2 years. So population in 2003 is equal to population in 2003 is equal to population in 2001 into 1 plus R by 100 all raised to N. Here P means the population in 2001. Okay. So population in 2003 it is given, it is equal to 54,000. That is equal to population in 2001, it is unknown factor for us. So let population in 2001 be X into 1 plus R means 5%, 5 by 100 all raised to N means it is 2. Okay, so that is equal to 54,000 is equal to X into, if we need we can simplify it, 5 common factor, 5 into 1, 5 into 20. That means 1 plus 1 by 20 whole square. Okay. So that is 54,000 is equal to X into 1 plus 1 by 20 means 20 by 20. 20 plus 1, 21 by 20 whole square. That means 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. Okay. Now next just I interchange the side. That means X into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 is equal to 54,000. Okay, so that is X into 21 into 20. First step cancel the common factor. There is no common factor, so multiply both the numerator together and denominator together. 21 into 21 it is 441 by 20 into 20 it is 400 is equal to 54,000. Therefore X is equal to 54,000. 441 by 400 transpose to RHS. So this is multiplication to become division and take the reciprocal. So it is into 400 by 441. Okay. So that is equal to 54,000 into 400. It is 2,16,000 by 441. Okay. Divide it as usual. It is equal to 48,979.59. Okay. So approximately we can say it is 48,980. 48,980 approximately. Okay. Question number 2, what would be its population 2005? Okay. So population in 2005 is equal to population in 2005 is equal to population in 2003 into 1 plus R by 100 all raised to N. Okay, so that is equal to population 2003 it is given 54,000 into 1 plus R means 5 by 100 all raised to 2. N means 2. Okay, so that is equal to 54,000 into, simplify 5 into 1, 5 into 20. So this is 1 plus 1 by 20 all square. Okay, So that is equal to 54,000 into 1 means denominator 20, 20 by 20. So 20 plus 1, 21 by 20 whole square. That means 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. Okay. Then simplify. 0 cancelled. 1 more 0 cancelled. Then 540 by 2. Common factor 2. 2 into 1. 2 into 2. 7. 4. So it is equal to 270 into 21 into 21 by 2. Again common factor 2. 2 into 1. 1 into 2, 2. 3 into 2, 6, 5. So that is equal to 135 into 21 into 21. Okay. Find the product. That is equal to 135 into 441. 59,535. Okay. Next question number 11. In a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours if the count was initially 5,06,000. Okay. What is given? Initial count of bacteria is given. See, initial count of bacteria is equal to 5,06,000. Okay. R is equal to 2.5%. N is equal to 2 years. So we need to find the number of bacteria. Number of bacteria at the end of 2 years. At the end of 2 years is equal to 5,06,000 into 1 plus R means 2, R by 100 all raised to N. Okay. So that is equal to 5,06,000 into 1 plus R means 2.5 by 100 all raised to 2. Okay. Yeah. Here common factor it is 25. 25 into 4, 25 into 0.1. Okay. So remaining it is 5,06,000 into 1 plus 0.1 by 4 all square. Okay. So 1 means 4 by 4. 4 plus 0.1 it is 4.1. So it is equal to 5,06,000 into 4.1 by 4 all square. So 4.1 by 4 into 4.1 by 4. Okay. So we can cancel it to common factor 4. 4 into 1. 1, 2, 6, 5, 0, 0. Again common factor 4. 4 into 1. 3, 1, 6, 2, 5. It is equal to 31,625 into 4.1 into 4.1. Okay. So 31,625 into 4.1 into 4.1. Find the product. It is 5,31,616.25. Therefore, number of bacteria at the end of 2 hours equal to 5,31,616 approximately. Okay.